इतने ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए वो अधिकार में रहने के लायक नहीं है, ये हमने कहा था। अधिकार वो मॉरल ग्राउंड पे ही नहीं, जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट उनका इस पे है उस आधार पर वो खुद ही राजीनामा देना चाहिए। और इसकी इंक्वायरी भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर इसको पुष्टि कर रहे हैं, तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब का भी इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए। आज मैंने देखा फ्रांस में इसकी इंक्वायरी जांच हो रही है, जो ये अपने स्नूपिंग किया जा रहा है, जो इजराइल कंपनी से आप खरीद कर जो कर रहे हैं, उसके फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट ने इंक्वायरी शुरुआत की है। तो इसीलिए हम ये चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर हम इस प्रश्न को उठाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसी गंदी हरकतें, डर्टी पॉलिटिक्स जो कर रहे हैं, इसको हम कंडम करते हैं और ये सहन करने जनता भी सहन नहीं करेगी और हम भी सहन नहीं करेंगे। इतना ही कहता हूँ, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर। केसी वेणुगोपाल जी।
थैंक यू रणदीप जी। रणदीप सुरजेवाला जी and Karge ji has clearly stated the impact of the revelations by some of the media group about this snooping exercise which has been conducted 2018-19. Today, through the latest revelation, it is clearly categorically substantiated that this entire snooping has been used for toppling the democratic elected government. The timing of the snooping, which clearly indicate that their main intention is to topple Karnataka government. That point of time itself, we are complaining that our phones are in surveillance. The telephone of Chief Minister Kumaraswamy, then Chief Minister Kumaraswamy, and telephone of Deputy Chief Minister Dr. Parameshwara. Siddaramaiah ji never used a personal number. That is why his personal assistant's telephone number has been tapped. Shivakumar said also like that. Therefore, this is very clear that the central leadership of the BJP has planned to topple the government by trading, by hook or crook. In that way, they used this Pegasus software to topple that government. That is why Karge ji have mentioned not only in Karnataka, in Madhya Pradesh also same thing might happen. No, it is very shocking that the personal security person of former Prime Ministers, Mr. Devagowda, his phone also has been tapped. There is a simple question before the country now: who is safe in this country? As far as his personal everybody has to be careful in this country nowadays. There is no privacy. Our union government can enter into anybody's kitchen now.
Even bedroom.
Even bedroom. Even bathroom also. Therefore, this is not a simple issue. Government can't run away from answering these questions. Now there are pertinent questions before the country. This Modi government cannot run away from these questions. What happened yesterday, Rajya Sabha? Minister has given a statement which has been actually contradictory to the statement which had been given in 2019, then Minister of IT. Our submission is that government has to come forward for an open discussion. If they are thinking that there is no guilty in their part, why don't they announce a judicial inquiry under the Supreme Court monitoring? Because you can see that when Karnataka incident happened, we approached the Supreme Court. 17 of our MLAs has been joined BJP, had been joined BJP at that point of time. Then we approached the Supreme Court for disqualification of these members. What was the final judgment? Who was the Chief Justice of that point of time? Everybody know that. Who was the Chief Justice? Now, respected Rajya Sabha member, actually that judgment is become instrumental for this horse trading industry in this country now. Therefore, it is very clear that entire this snooping had been done to topple democratic government, to hijack the electoral prospects of opposition parties. Therefore, this must be investigated thoroughly. There should be an impartial judicial inquiry. Congress party is demanding it. On Thursday, in every state headquarters, we are doing a Raj Bhavan march for demanding this thing. There should be a thorough judicial inquiry under the supervision of Supreme Court. Every state headquarters, our party leaders, including CLP leaders, PCC presidents, and people representatives will march to the Raj Bhavan on Thursday. We will raise this issue in Parliament. Honorable Kharge ji raised this issue in Rajya Sabha, Adhir ji raised in Lok Sabha. We will continue that. And also, we will take this issue of hijacking privacy of a common man of the country to the street of the nation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji. He will throw some light, then Siddharamaiah ji, then DK Shivkumar ji, and then we'll take questions.